Since scrolling through your social media accounts is something that we do on a daily basis, I'm sure that you want to maximize the time you spend on these platforms by getting some passive income while doing so. All you have to do is download the free Chrome extension called UpVoice. You can download this to your Google Chrome browser on your computer. If you don't have a computer, then don't worry because you can also do it on your mobile phone. The first thing you need is a Facebook account. If you don't have one, it is very easy to create a Facebook account. You'll need this account to sign up on this website. Now, if you already have a Facebook account, just go back to the UpVoice website and you'll see the Continue with Facebook button. Click on that button to sign up for a free worldwide account. After that, you just have to fill out a short and simple qualification form. You'll provide the necessary information such as your name and email address. Once you're qualified, you'll be invited to install the free UpVoice Chrome extension. This will not affect your browser's performance, and it's guaranteed to be safe. Remember that this is not only available on your computer, but it's also accessible on your mobile devices. If you're done installing the Chrome extension, you can visit their participating websites right away. I advise you to do it regularly so that you can collect daily tokens that you can later on redeem as gift cards, such as cryptocurrency, PayPal money, Payoneer, Skrill, Payeer, and other modes of payment. All you have to do with this website is browse and visit different social media and websites. It's so easy to think that it's something you do every day. The thing is now, you'll get paid for simply scrolling through websites and social media platforms. Moving on to the next website that I want to share with you. Just like the first one, this second website will help you earn money online without having to do much work. You can do it on both your computer and your mobile phone. This website is comparable to the Google Chrome or Firefox browser. Yes, this is also a browser. You can use this to search for anything on the internet. By doing that simple thing, you can already get rewarded. All you have to do is browse or look up any content that interests you. If you're just using your phone, then it doesn't matter if you're an Apple user or an Android user because this works on both. This is the Brave Private Browser. You can check out their application on both the Google Play Store and the App Store. There are a lot of people that use this, and as a matter of fact, the number of people that trust this application is growing as I speak. They are safe and fast. At the same time, they'll pay you just for using this browser. That's not complicated at all. If you wish to visit their website, you can do so and learn more about what they offer. Now we're already on the third website, and I hope you're still listening carefully because there's more exciting stuff that I'll share in the latter part of this video. With this website, you'll once again use social media platforms. This website is called QMe. With this website, you can earn real cash. Yes, cash. Not points or tokens, but actual money. You can see on their website the statement, "Earn when you search." That is as easy as the two websites I talked about earlier. This is also available on both the App Store and the Google Play Store. So once again, this is accessible on both your computer and mobile phones. QMe is a free browser and mobile app that allows you to earn real cash rewards for sharing your opinion and engaging with your favorite brands. Besides scrolling through and searching on their website, you can also answer some surveys that'll give you additional money. The app and website are also reliable because you'll see your balance in your account. You'll be able to withdraw your money through Starbucks, Amazon gift cards, PayPal, or iTunes. You can simply click on the surveys if you have extra time to earn more money. You can earn anything from $1.50 to $1.80. I've got a bonus tip for you. Keep on watching as I might have more bonuses for you. Once you download this application, you should log in for the first 3 days. When you log in every 3 days, they will then show you more surveys that will pay more. If you follow my instructions, you can earn $5 to $10 from these surveys. If you don't have time to do surveys and just want to earn on complete autopilot, then simply go to Google. To give you an example, search for the words "stylish women's jacket" in the search bar. If you've already downloaded the QMe extension, then you'll see the bar on the left side of your screen. Without the extension, you'll just see the results the way that Google usually displays them. So with the QMe extension, there's something different that happens with your result. Now, if you click on any of the results on the left corner, it'll instantly give you money. You'll notice that each result has an equivalent amount, and you'll notice that it's not that big. But you can click on as many links as you want until you achieve the amount that will satisfy you. There's no limit to earning your potential, and you can do this anytime you want. So that is really convenient for most of us. If you're not doing anything and just scrolling through your social media, then you had better click on these links instead. That way, you will earn more money. All the websites and applications I've just mentioned are completely free. You don't have to spend anything. Just spend some free time on these websites to earn as much as you want. You have to be in the USA, UK, Canada, and Australia to register your account with QMe. If you're from one of the following countries, then you should take advantage of this opportunity. Well, if you're not coming from the countries mentioned, then do not click out of the video because I have a solution for that. You just have to go to Winscribe. This is a free VPN service that you can download, once again, for free. You can now select whatever country you want. You can choose the United States. Once you do that, just go back to QMe's website and you'll be able to bypass their restrictions. QMe can still unblock your restricted content though, but you have two options with Winscribe. Winscribe offers a paid and pro membership and a free membership. You still don't have to pay for the pro membership since you can get access to countries like the United States, the UK, Hong Kong, Canada, France, and so much more, even with just the free membership. Now you're capable of registering for free in QMe's website and maximizing your income. Like I said earlier, you can use all three websites that I've shared with you. That way, you can make the most out of your free time. That's it for today's video.